Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the captivating universe of science and health. Don't forget to press that subscribe button and enable your notifications so you won't miss any of our insightful content. Your support empowers us to carry on presenting you with these comprehensive reviews, and we value every click, like, and share. With that said, let's dive straight into the heart of today's topic: the racial disparities in colorectal cancer rates. This disease disproportionately affects the Black community, with the highest rate of colon cancer compared to any other racial or ethnic group in the United States. Astonishingly, African Americans are approximately 20% more likely to get colorectal cancer and about 40% more likely die from it than other ethnic groups. Today, we are on a mission to unravel this mystery and understand why some racial groups are more prone to this disease than others. Have you ever wondered why some groups of people are more susceptible to certain diseases than others? In the case of colorectal cancer, a striking disparity exists. While this disease doesn't discriminate, certain racial groups bear a heavier burden. Among these, Black individuals have consistently shown higher incidence rates. This isn't just a minor bump in the statistics, it's a significant difference that has puzzled researchers for years. Why does this happen? What makes one racial group more prone to this disease than another? Is it lifestyle, diet, or access to healthcare? While these factors certainly play a role, they don't tell the whole story. Enter genetics. Yes, the very stuff that makes us who we are. Our genes could hold the key to understanding this disparity. Some researchers believe that certain genetic factors might make Black individuals more susceptible to colorectal cancer. To fully understand this, we need to delve into the fascinating world of genetics. So what role do genetics play in the higher incidence of colorectal cancer among Black individuals? Well, let's start with the concept of genetic predisposition. This is where certain genes we inherit from our parents can increase our risk of developing particular diseases. Now, this doesn't mean that disease is guaranteed, but rather, it's more likely. In the case of colorectal cancer, there are specific genetic mutations that have been connected to an increased risk. For instance, the APC gene and the MLH1 gene. These genes are responsible for the normal growth and repair of cells in our body, but when they mutate, they could potentially lead to uncontrolled cell growth, which is a hallmark of cancer. Interestingly, research has shown that these genetic mutations are more common among Black individuals, which might explain the higher incidence of colorectal cancer in this population. But genetics is only one piece of the puzzle. If genetics is just one piece, what are the other contributing factors to this disparity? Let's dive into it. Diet and lifestyle choices are significant players. Consuming a diet low in fiber and high in processed foods may increase the risk of colorectal cancer. Sedentary lifestyles and obesity are also potential risk factors. Access to healthcare is another crucial aspect. Disparities in access to early detection and treatment services may contribute to higher incidence rates and lower survival rates. These elements don't exist in isolation, however. They can interact with a genetic predisposition to amplify the risk. For instance, a person with a genetic predisposition who follows an unhealthy diet and lacks regular healthcare checkups may have a higher risk. So, we see that it's not just about genetics. It's a complex interplay of various factors that together shape the landscape of this health issue. Understanding these factors is the first step in addressing this health disparity. So, what have we learned today? We've discovered that there's a higher incidence of colorectal cancer among Black individuals, and that genetics play a significant role in this disparity. Yet, it's not just about genes. Our lifestyle and environmental factors interact with these genetic elements, adding another layer to this complex issue. With knowledge comes the power to make a difference. Let's use this information to build a healthier future for everyone.